So here's the Brat engine as it sits. Finally split the cases. It was a bear getting those pistons out. Everything looks good after a little while of evapo-rust. Here's a few of the connecting rods, some of the old parts, special tools, Coca-Cola special tools, crankshaft is in questionable condition. Let's sit it in evapo-rust like we did those little guys. Let it sit in suavecito. Just kidding. Those are some of the pistons, which turning out okay. Gotta clean those bad boys out. My friend evapo-rust, he evapo-fuck this thing sometimes. Oof. No. Soon enough, we'll have this beast out on the trails.